Good morning, Mystic Mommies. As you know, the Leo moon will be squaring off with Uranus and Taurus tonight. So I'd like to begin the day with a meditation to dispel any unwanted anxiety. Let's begin by connecting to your breath, the lifeline between you and your baby. Inhale and send the energy down into your womb, letting it surround your fetus like a warm blanket.
Oh, hey, do you think the horns are curvy enough? I'm getting some Taurus vibes, and I don't want to give the baby an identity crisis.
I think it'll be all right.
Hey, could you cook these a little more?
I'm gonna be late for work.
But Mystic Mommy says that raw foods could cause chakra imbalances in my amniotic fluid. I mean, do you want that?
Well, the stove's still hot.
And remember, Jupiter's luck is not limited to just financial wealth. It presents opportunities to exchange your fortune for spiritual gain. And that brings me to Eden Eggs, a new Mystic Mommy food that helps boost your baby's psychic bond. We all know that raw foods are dangerous for your health, but your bohemian lifestyle leaves no room for meal prep. But that's okay. Eden Eggs are microwavable. In just seconds, you'll have a healthy snack that realigns you with your uterine stardust. Eden Eggs, spiritual sustenance in seconds.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Max here, and I have some hot news. Now, you're always asking me, Max, we see you with these suits, with these cars, these women, but what's your secret? How do you actually do it? Well, this might be kind of hard to believe, but I used to be a loser, just like you are. That is, until I learned how to maximize. I pinned my life down, and I forced it to give me everything that I deserve. And for a limited time, I want to show you how to do that too. One weekend at my penthouse, groups of 3, I am going to teach you everything that I know.
Max, have you seen my bikini?
Just click that link.
So you guys in or what?
How much?
5K. Dude, 5K for anything you could want after one weekend.
I'm in.
Corey's in. Seth, how about you? It's only 5,000.
Well, I'm close.
Okay. Is Mir still getting those mat checks?
Yeah, but that's money for...
Wait, you want to be a dad now? Look, you take this offer, you never have to listen to Mystic Mommy ever again.
Maximize. Maximize.
Maximize! 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 Hey!
What are these?
Oh, my Eden Eggs. They're this Mystic Mommy food. It's really good for the baby.
$70 good?
Yeah.
Where'd you get the money to pay for them?
This week's mat leave.
That's money for baby stuff.
This is baby stuff.
Just don't buy any more, okay?
Because it is all about self-worth, gentlemen. And if your girl can't see your value, if she is holding you back from your potential, it's time to drop her and start maximizing. Because maximizing is what it's all about.
Into the realm of dreams. Focus on the tether between you and your child. Do you feel them tugging? Let them pull you into their aura.
Namaste, you've reached the voicemail of Mira Menken. Please express yourself after the beep.
Mira, did you buy more of that Mystic Mommy shit? A work thing came up, and I need the mat money. Call me.
So?
It's coming.
Nice. When?
Soon.
Max doesn't play around, Seth. It's coming tonight?
Yeah.
Namaste. Hi, Mira. How are you? I was just floating through the neighborhood and I thought I'd deliver your eggs personally. May I? Yep, it's here. About 80%. Is this your work? Its modality is radiant. Oh, but the moon is drifting into Virgo tonight. You had better get this done. You keep painting, and I'll order all the eggs you can eat.
Objective underway.
Namaste, you've reached the voicemail.
Look, you got two options here. Either you stay here like a pussy and let your girlfriend screw all three of us over, or you maximize. Go home, get your bitch on a leash, and become a millionaire. What's it gonna be? Maximize, 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 maximize! Ah!
All done.
It's fantastic, Mira. Let's do this last step together. Dear Baphomet, by initiating this contract, we enter into a long-term high-impact synergy of demonic acquisition. On behalf of Mystic Mommies International, Ave Satanas. Summon successful. Let's get this over with.
How am I doing?
Just shut up and push. Did I say you could stop? Again. 3, 2.
What the fuck? What did you do to her?
Relax. She was just the incubator.
Did that come out of her? Give it to me.
No.
Okay, then give me $5,000.
I'm sorry?
You heard me. $5,000 and that thing is yours.
This is not a negotiation.
Fine, then I'll just take it.